Hi, Vladimir. Okay, these are kind of, once you get to know it, are easy. If we were doing this stuff in Word, you guys would not be having any issues. But since we're doing it in SAM, I can see where you're having some problems. Okay, this will take me a little bit more than a minute. Let's see, L41 Drill 1 Part 5. Change the font size. There's several ways you can do it. Let's see. Oh, change the font size. Here we go. Okay. There's several ways you can change font size, but figuring out the SAM way is always the tricky part. So it says Regent Memorial. So right here, see this box that pops up? You can do that. Okay. And then here's the thing in SAM. In Word, you'd be able to control this. See how when I click, I try to just highlight this, but it does the whole thing. So you have to do this one that we've merged, and then I think it says demo all these right here, and then just do the 12. Okay. Normally in Word, you would have been able to do the February sessions and those titles by themselves and not capture the Regents Memorial. Okay. L4 Drill 1 Part 10, resize a table, row, or column to exact dimension. This is kind of fun. I do the drag over. I don't really do exact dimensions. I do the kind of drag. All right. But here's what you have to do with this is column B. Okay. They want column B. So here's your column B. Right click, go upwards, because if you come down, you're going to get all kind of messed up. They'll give you border styles, and in SAM, you won't be able to get out of it. And it'll frustrate you. So go into Table Properties. Well, let me do a wide screen. Okay. So table, this is column B. All right. See if it. Table Properties. What is your problem? All right. Okay. Let me see. I think I worked it wrong. Yeah, but you can't get it to there. So we'll go Home. Can't get to here. Insert. Yeah, so this is the problem. It does for you. So go up. Wow. I just did this. I just did this. So let's see. Apply resize exact dimensions. Okay. Gonna make a liar out of me now. Okay, so I was probably on the wrong one. That's why. Okay. Weird. All right. See what happens? So come in, do your why is it not letting me do this? Okay, I can see what they're doing here. I right click. If I was doing this, I'd right click like I was showing you. Okay, but it's not going to let me do that. Oh, come on. I feel your guys' frustration. I really do. All right, see right here, Properties. All right, so you're going to go column here, preferred width, and what does it say? Height of row 1 to exactly 0.75. Oh, wait a minute. Am I on the right one? Okay, I think I'm on the wrong one. Okay, anyway, this is row. So without clicking and drag, change the height of row 1 exactly. So this would be row 1. Okay, so you would go cell size and height is 0.75. Just type it in. 0.75. Okay. And row 2 would be here. Again, cell size. Height would be row 2 to exactly 3. Okay. Alright. What is this one? Column. I thought I clicked on this one. Alright, let's see. Alright. So, let's see. Click out of here. This is column B. Alright. Go to Layout, Table Properties here. Go to Column. Click on here. The preferred to 3.0. You could probably type faster than clicking here. Alright. 3.0 or 3 point. And then do next column. Just see. And click here again. And down to 2.25. 2.25 and click OK. Alright. Okay, and then align data in a table cell. Where is that? Align data in a table cell right here. These you have to be really careful of and read them carefully. Okay, so center the column heading horizontally and vertical. Okay, so that's here. What's an easy way to do it so you know? I always just walk myself through these. Top center, you know, this one, center text horizontally and vertical within the cell. So center the column heading horizontally and vertically. Okay. So column heading, center the column heading. Well, which column heading? This is all I can think of. Did I get them all? Okay. Align set text horizontally and vertical. Alright. Now align top center the data in column A. So again, what does it say? Align top center the data. So this one is align top center. Alright, and then align top right the amounts in column D. Alright, so slide your little guy over. Let's see what these do, because usually numbers are right aligned, and then alignment top right, then align top right the amounts in column D. So let's see, top right. There you go. All right, we got through that one, didn't we? Most of this stuff in Word is really easy peasy. All right, hope this helps. Good luck. We'll talk with you soon. And would you and Liliana please quit apologizing? This is part of my job. Okay? Thank you.